Hello students, I am your computer teacher. I am here with part 1 of chapter 1 Knowing MS Access 2007 for class 8th. Through this video, I am going to explain database and its related terms with the introduction of MS Access application. So students, let's begin with the explanation part. This is part 1 chapter 1 Knowing MS Access 2007. Important points, students, which I am going to discuss here are introduction of MS Access, database, DBMS, table, record, field, data and data types. So let's start. What is MS Access? MS Access, it is the product of Microsoft. It is the database management system from which we can analyze huge amount of information or data very efficiently. It allows us to create tables, queries, forms, reports so that we can manage data in a very effective way. In MS Access, we can store different types of records like students, books, fees, marks scored, etc. Now comes database concept. Database is actually an organized collection of data or information for its fast searching method and retrieval of the information. That is why it is known as the structured format, structured object to facilitate the storage, retrieval, modification and deletion of the data. Database management system. System means software. It is a software for creating and managing databases. It is used to create, read, update and delete data in a database. So students, it is known as the software which is helpful to manage our database in an effective way. Example of DBMS are MS Access, Oracle, MySQL, FoxPro and many more. Now let's start with the table. Table is the collection of related data. It is in the form of rows and columns. Actually in database all the data is stored in the form of table. Here you are seeing the image I had shown you. It is the table of MS Access. Student table is given here and there are columns like roll number, student name, class, section. So this is a table how it is created in MS Access. Record. If we have created the table, then table is consist of the rows and field. So row is a record. Row is the horizontal groupings of different types of data. How different type? You are seeing the picture. Roll number, student name, class, section. Okay, it is having 3 records. Means roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3 and student name are Pratik, Riya, Gulshan. So one record if we will say, then it is of second roll number whose name is Riya, who study in class 8th B. Okay students, so this makes a record and all these cells contain different types of data, so it is a row. Field refers to the column or the vertical grouping of same types of data like student name, like roll number. Roll number contains only numeric data. It does not contain alphabetic data. Okay, so this is called field. Now what is data? Data is any raw fact or the figure which we store in table of any database. It can be your marks, it can be your age, it can be any item, price, okay, it can be the marks scored in the test. That is known as the data. In MS Access, data types, to select data of different data types is very important. So Access contains so many data types. Some of them are given here, that is text, memo, number, date, time, currency, auto number, yes, no, OLE object, hyperlink, attachment. Text data type, it contains only alphanumeric data which stores up to 255 characters. This is the capacity of the text data type. Memo, it is long text It also contains any type of data, means both alphanumeric, but its capacity is big, that is 64,000 characters. Number, it contains only the numeric data. It does not contain the alphabetic data. Date time, it is another data type which is used to store date and time. Currency data type contains the symbols for the currencies, decimal format and commas, separators means. Auto number. Auto number is that data type in which data, when we create a record, the number will be generated automatically. It is basically used for the primary key. Yes no data type, it contains logical data like true false, yes no, means you will see the checkbox type of object over there. When you click, it means the tick mark will come, it means it is true. When no tick mark is there, it means it is false. Hyperlink, it is a data type which is used to store the hyperlinks. Attachment, used to store for the attachment. Attachments is also a type of the hyperlink, you can assume. OLE object, OLE means object linking and embedding. So through the MS Access, we can link to the Word document, Excel or PowerPoint file. So this is the end of the part 1. Here we understood the concept of database, data, database management system, tables, record and field. So we will continue part 2 of MS Access in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.